Hey Aquarius, this is your horoscope for the week of December 8th. So, this week you guys are going to be doing a lot of soul searching. You are getting the recognition that you finally deserve. And this time you are really taking it to the heart and you are really feeling like you deserve this. It's like, maybe previously people have, said thank you, you're doing a good job, and you hear it, but it's like one ear, not the other. But this time it's like you are really showing that it means something to you, and this is going to really boost your alter ego, your confidence, whatever. Like, you're going to feel very grateful of the appreciation that people are giving you. But like I said, you're going to be doing some soul searching this week, and I really see you guys sticking more to yourself and really being in solitude. Honestly, if you have any questions that you want answered, or if there's something that you need to think about, the answers will come from you. So if it's something very, very personal, obviously the answer is going to come, from you. So just really take the time to be by yourself and listen to what your soul is telling you. If you feel as if you need some shake-up in your life, maybe you can try doing different things. Try going on a path that you've been thinking about taking and you aren't too sure about it, but just do it. Just have some fun. Just really have some fun. Not no crazy fun, just some good fun that's really going to bring some happiness within your life. You guys really need happiness. You really, really do. And honestly, you do deserve it. And I'm feeling like there's something that it might be too good to be true, and more than likely this may be love related, because I'm seeing hearts right now. So yeah, this may be whether it's love with yourself or love with someone else. You're feeling like I don't know, what if something falls apart? Just do it. Maybe this is dealing with the path that you need to take, this new path that you do need to take. So it may not be too good to be true. Stop dreaming about all the disasters and just take the breath of fresh air and just do it. Just please do it. And if this is a love interest, you guys may be kind of pushing back from it, and the other person may be suffering from your actions. So just be mindful of your actions. If you are kind of pushing them away a little bit, you may be losing them. If you are kind of treating them mean, so just try and have a good week this week, and I'll see you next week. Bye, Aquarius.